Hello, my name is Dr. Steele, and welcome to Steele Mathematics, where lessons in Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus, and Calculus are taught. And this is part 3 of a 4-part series on solving equations. Now, on parts 1 and 2, all the equations that we have discussed, each has a variable on one side. But suppose an equation has a variable on both sides. That's what we're going to talk about today. But first, let me remind you of the two things that need to happen when you're solving an equation. One is to do the opposite operation, and two, whatever is done to one side of an equation must be done to the other side. So now we're talking about equations that have variables on both sides. Now, how do we deal with that? This is a tip that I have given to my Algebra 1 students when I was teaching Algebra 1. I say, deal with the variable first. Now, in these examples I'm about to show you, I'm going to show you what I mean by deal with the variable first. So you look at these 4 examples. All these examples each have variables on both sides. So if you look at number 1, we have 3x minus 7 equal x plus 5. Now here's what I mean when I say deal with the variable first. You can do one of two things. You could eliminate 3x, or you could eliminate x. Well, let's say you want to eliminate x. That means we have to subtract x to get rid of it. Now, if we subtract x from this side, that means we have to subtract x from the other side. They cross out, and 3x minus x is 2x. Bring down to minus 7. Bring down to 5. Now, as you can see, when you deal with the variable first, you get a two-step equation, which is what part 2 was about. So we're going to solve 2x minus 7 equal 5. We see of subtraction, we're going to do the opposite operation, which is addition. We add 7 to this side, therefore we add 7 to the other side. We bring down the 2x. 5 plus 7 is 12. We have multiplication. Therefore, the opposite operation is division. So we divide this side by 2, and we divide this side by 2. Therefore, we have x equal 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, the solution is 6. All right, so number 2, we have 4x minus 3 equal 10 minus x. Okay, so we can either eliminate 4x or we can eliminate negative x. So let's say we want to eliminate negative x. That means we have to add x to this side, meaning we have to add x to the other side. They cancel out. 4x plus x is 5x minus 3 equal 10. So again, when you deal with the variable first, you get a two-step equation. So let's solve this two-step equation. We have subtraction. You do the opposite operation, which is addition. We add 3 on this side. We add 3 on this side. Bring down your 5x. 10 plus 3 is 13. Finally, we have multiplication, and the opposite is division. So we divide this side by 5, and we divide this side by 5. And since 5 cannot go into 13, we will leave it as a fraction. We will leave it as 13 over 5. All right, number 3, we have 3x minus 7 equals 7x plus 9. So first we could either eliminate 3x or we can eliminate 7x. Well, let's say we eliminate 3x. You don't see an operation in front of it. That means plus. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. We subtract 3x from this side, and we subtract 3x from this side. So you bring down your negative 7. 7x minus 3x is 4x plus 9. So again, we come up with a two-step equation. Let's solve it. We see addition, and the opposite of addition is subtraction. Therefore, we subtract 9 from this side, and we subtract 9 from this side. Negative 7 and negative 9 is negative 16. Bring down your 4x. Now we see multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is division. Therefore, we divide this side by 4 and this side by 4. And negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. Therefore, your solution is negative 4. Finally, we have 7x plus 4 equal 4x minus 5. So you can eliminate either 7x or 4x. Let's say we want to eliminate 4x. Again, there is no operation in front of it. That's the same as addition. And the opposite of addition is subtraction. Therefore, we subtract 4x from this side and this side. 7x minus 4x is 3x. Bring down your plus 4 and bring down your negative 5. We see addition, and the opposite of addition is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 4 from this side and subtract 4 from this side. Bring down your 3x, and negative 5 and negative 4 is negative 9. Multiplication, the opposite is division. So we divide this side by 3, and we divide this side by 3. And therefore, x equal negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. And therefore, the solution is negative 3. So as you can see, when you're dealing with equations that have variables on both sides, the first thing you do is decide which multiple of the variable you want to eliminate first. And once you do that, you're going to come up with a two-step equation. And from there, you just solve the two-step equation. I hope that you have a wonderful and blessed day.